What's going on, everybody? Today we got a new knife from EMP EDC. It is the NYMBLE T. You might have already seen this knife already around. It's been through many of the other YouTubers who have gotten it straight from EMP or from pass around groups or wherever, wherever they might be getting them from. Anyway. We had to wait for the pre-order and to order it to get it into my hands to take a look at and see what all the hype is about and see, is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Have the other YouTubers spoke the truth? Let's take a close-up, guys. Okay, so it comes in a typical little plastic candy case. Very cool. Got your cleaning cloth, and we got some stickers. And NYMBLE T Blade 390 M390, July 22nd, first run. Okay. Yeah, it's a little smaller than you think. I got the frag pattern. I like the frag pattern aspect of it. Yeah, it's smaller than you would think. I mean, even though the specs obviously show you what tells you what it is, but sometimes when you see other people handling them, they kind of look bigger. I do have the kind of battle-worn finish. I really like that. It is number 32 of 152. So very cool. I like the touch of brass kind of with that battle worn. And there's your Tanto blade. Got kind of a nice belly to it, coming up to a small Tanto, little tip there. Some pretty nice thick blade stock, but overall very nice. Let's get the little cleaning cloth here and get some of that oil off there so you can kind of see those nice grind lines. Some very good grind lines on there. I always like to see that. So there's your lockup. Looks pretty good, about 25-30%. No movement at all. My finger was actually on the lock bar there. Spidey flicks good. I do love having holes for deployments. I guess the PM2 kind of spoiled me in that. I would say if you have really big hands, this might be a little bit of an issue. I'll tell you, sitting back here, you're really kind of, I guess just because of maybe the way it is, you can choke up on it really nice. You got a nice finger choil there. I do like that. You're not too at risk on the blade, but if you have big fingers, and you could be a little more at risk of being right on the corner of that blade. But otherwise, what is that detent? Yeah, you got a nice early detent. So once it breaks in, it should be pretty nice. But yeah, overall, I gotta say, action's very good. I liked it. I instantly go for the choke up. I don't know. I think the distance right here is a little too wide. I seem like I'm too far back and almost falling off the knife back here. But when I'm up here like this is kind of nice. I feel comfortable up here, definitely. So if you have big hands, this could be an issue. I would definitely like to see a bigger version, definitely. No detent lash or anything. Pretty good detent. So yeah, first impression's really not bad. I like that frag pattern. It's nice and comfortable. You get some good traction on it. The jimping up here is nice. It's aggressive, but not super aggressive. You definitely feel like you're getting some traction. So if you're doing some really hard push cutting, you definitely don't feel like you're going to slip off. Some people might say it's a little sharp, but I don't think it's sharp. just enough to get some really good leverage. So I like that. I do like that. I guess you can front flip it, but I'm terrible at front flipping, so we'll just avoid that. But so there you guys go. That is the NYMBLE T by EMP EDC. Check them out. Don't know if these are going to be available again anytime soon in the Tanto version. He does have a couple other versions that are coming out right now, so check them out. Maybe get on their waiting list. If you like a smaller knife, definitely, it's very nice. Feels good in the hand when you're choking up. Again, I'm a little iffy on sitting back here. Again, that distance right here just seems to be a little much. If I could just get a little bit more up there, it'd feel good. But when you're choking up, it feels really good in the hand. So anyway, there you guys go. That is the EMP EDC Nymble T. We'll get carrying it and we'll let you know how it carries and how it feels when it breaks in. Guys, have a great day. We'll catch you next time.